widow, widow, umupfakazi. Isolation, isolation, akato. Filter, filter, akayunguruzo. Breast, breast, amabere. Armpit, armpit.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Ladies and gentlemen, again, this is Learn English with Bonaj. Aha ni kuri iga icyongereza na Bonaj. Today we are going to learn vocabulary. Uyu munsi tugiye kwiga inyunguramagambo. Urugendo rwawe rwo kwicyongereza ukeneye kumenya inyunguramagambo. Reka tubwire yuko hari igitabo kirimo inyunguramagambo zihagije English and Kinyarwanda Dictionary, inkoranyamagambo y'icyongereza ndetse isobanuye mu Kinyarwanda. This is the book. Iki nicyo gitabo English and Kinyarwanda Dictionary, inkoranyamagambo y'icyongereza ndetse n'ikinyarwanda. Harimo amagambo menshi cyane, hakiyongeramo ama synonyms, hakabamo amagambo yagufasha ku buryo mu gihe uri kuvuga icyongereza udakeneye gutekereza ijambo ugiye gukoresha. So you need to have this book in your hand. Igitabo kwa kiri mu biganza byawe uri kuyikoresha umunsi ku wundi, byahindura ururimi rwawe. And again, if you need to learn with us, we can teach you wherever you are. Ukeneye kwiga natwe twakwigisha aho waba uri hose. If you are in USA, Canada, Europe, or any part of the world, and you feel like you want to learn with us, we can teach you via Zoom. Uri muri Amerika, muri Canada, muri Europe n'ahandi hose, ukaba wifuza kwigana natwe, turagukurikirana kuri Zoom. Alright, enough for introduction. Now let's dive into the lesson of today. Let's learn these vocabulary. Reka twige izi nyunguramagambo z'icyongereza zisobanuye no mu Kinyarwanda. Let's do this.
Dream, kurota. Kid, kid, akana k'ihene. Piglet, piglet, ikibwana cy'ingurube. Kitten, kitten, akana k'injangwe. Lamb, lamb, akana k'intama. Heifer, heifer, inyana. Chicken, chicken, umushwi. Beg, beg, gusaba. Beggar, beggar, umusabirizi. Confess, confess, kwihana. Sorrow, sorrow, akababaro. Labor, labor, ibise. Puppy, puppy, akabwana. Trap, trap, akamashu. Palm oil, palm oil, amamesa. Chatter, chatter, amangambure. Handcuffs, handcuffs, amapingu. Tears, tears, amarira. Offerings, offerings, amaturo. Cookie, cookie, biscuit. Widow, widow, umupfakazi. Isolation, isolation, akato, filter, filter, akayunguruzo, breast, breast, amabere, armpit, armpit, amaha, abscess, abscess, ikibyimba, ambush, ambush, guca ibico, mix, mix, kuvanga, mixture, mixture, imvange, escape, escape, gucika cyangwa gutoroka, slap, slap, gukubita urushyi, spit, spit, gucira, wound, wound, uruguma, lean, lean, kwegama, laughable, laughable, cyo guseka cyangwa gisekeje, tacky, tacky, dendo, sacred, sacred, kitagatifu, miser, miser, impfumfu, punish, punish, guhana, look at, look at, guhanga amaso, see, see, kureba, reward, reward, ingororano, sooth, sooth, guhendahenda, grind, grind, gusya, allow, allow, guha uruhushya, represent, represent, guhagararira, leap, leap, gusimbuka, deny, deny, kwanga, bury, bury, guhamba, untie, untie, guhambura, choke, choke, kuniga.
Wait. Here with me, I have books. Mufitiye ibitabo. This is vocabulary book. Igitabo kirimo inyunguramagambo z'icyongereza ndetse n'ikinyarwanda. This is dictionary of English and Kinyarwanda. Niba mu gihe uri kuvuga icyongereza amagambo akubana makeya, this is a book that can help you. Igitabo cyagufasha mu gihe uri kuvuga ntabwo ukeneye kuba uri gutekereza ijambo ugiye gukoresha, you have to keep speaking, and this is the book that will help you with that. Iki ni igitabo kizagufasha ibyo. Ikindi, niba uri umutangizi ukaba ushaka kuzamura urwego rwawe rw'icyongereza, this is Begin Smart to End Smart with more than 200 pages, page zirenga 200. Harimo icyongereza ndetse gisobanuye mu kinyarwanda, 200 pages. Harimo amasomo yibanze yose ku muntu ushaka gutangira ku icyongereza, ateguye neza ku buryo wumva ibyo uri kwiga ukabisobanukirwa. Iki gitabo niyo waba usanzwe uzi icyongereza ushaka kuvuga ngo reka nige icyongereza none nkihereye mu mizi, cyagufasha. And again, if you have a problem to describe the actions, niba ugira ikibazo cyo kubasobanurira ibikorwa uri gukora, dufite igitabo kirimo verbs, inshinga. Harimo regular verbs, inshinga zikurikiza amategeko, hakabamo irregular verbs, inshinga zidakurikiza amategeko, 12 tenses, ibihe 12 by'icyongereza, modal verbs. Iki gitabo cyagufasha ugashobora gusobanura ibikorwa biri kuba, ibikorwa byabaye, ibikorwa bizaba. Iyo ukeneye kuba wasobanura ibikorwa, iki gitabo cyagufasha. Harimo inshinga, buri nshinga isobanuye mu Kinyarwanda, ndetse tukaguha n'urugero kuri buri nshinga. This book can help you to describe the actions. Tukaba tugufite igitabo kirimo dialogues, ibiganiro. Iki gitabo kirimo dialogues, ibiganiro by'icyongereza ndetse bisobanuye no mu Kinyarwanda kuri topics zigiye zitandukanye, ku ngingo zigiye zitandukanye. Iki gitabo cyagufasha kuko iyo tuvuga dukoresha ibiganiro. Iki gitabo rero kirimo ibiganiro ndetse bisobanuye mu Cyongereza no mu Kinyarwanda. If you need one of our books, ubaye ukeneye kimwe muri ibi bitabo cyangwa se byose ukaba ubikeneye, watumenyesha kuri 0780 29 Let's continue the lesson.
whisper, whisper, kongorera, blink, blink, guhumbaguza, wink, wink, kwica akajisho, exaggerate, exaggerate, gukabiriza, nuts, nuts, utuzizi, accompany, accompany, guherekeza, be last, be last, guheruka, be ripe, be ripe, guhisha, embrace, embrace, guhobera, weep, weep, kurira, sweep, sweep, gukubura, mattress, mattress, igodora, roast, roast, kotsa, chop into pieces, chop into pieces, gukatagura, tickle, tickle, gukirigita, recuperate, recuperate, gukiruka, hire, hire, gukodesha, slave, slave, umucakara, trample, trample, gukandagira, oppress, oppress, gukandamiza, frighten, frighten, gutera ubwoba, chew, chew, gukanja, bark, bark, kumoka, straddle, straddle, gutagataga, distinguish, distinguish, gutandukanya, spy, spy, gutata, scatter, scatter, gutatanya, prepare, prepare, gutegura. To milk, to milk, gukama. Upload, upload, gukoma mu mashyi. Castrate, castrate, gukona. Circumcise, circumcise, gusiramura. Note, note, ipfundo. Stir, stir, gukoroga. Step, step, intambwe. To step, to step, gutera intambwe. Toddle, toddle, gutera ubutambwe k'umwana. Throw, throw, guterera. Date, date, gutereta. Wiggle, wiggle, gutigisa. Melt, melt, gushonga. Boil, boil, gutogota. Bake, bake, guteka mu ifuru. Flow, flow, gutemba. Deceive, deceive, gutenguha. Sow, sow, kubiba. Drop, drop, igitonyanga. Drip, drip, gutonyanga. Splatter, splatter, gutonyangiriza. Soak, soak, gutosa. Guest, guest, umushyitsi. Insult, insult, gutuka. Shiver, shiver, gutitira. Be wet, be wet, gutoha. Quarter, quarter, kimwe cya kane. Familiarize, familiarize, kwimenyeza. Type, type, kwandikisha imashini. Coke, coke, isake. Voice, voice, ijwi. Interrupt, interrupt, gikikiza. Crutch, clutch, imbago. Bowl, bowl, ibakure. Lungs, lungs, ibihaha. Leftovers, leftovers, ibisigazwa.